Is kennel cough more common in certain seasons? Have you ever wondered if your dog is more likely to catch kennel cough during specific times of the year? Let's break this down together. Kennel cough, which is also known as infectious tracheobronchitis, is a contagious respiratory infection that affects dogs. It primarily impacts the windpipe and large air passages in the lungs. The main symptom is a dry, harsh cough that can last anywhere from 1 to 3 weeks in otherwise healthy dogs. Now, when it comes to the seasons, kennel cough is not strictly limited to any one time of year. However, certain environmental factors can play a role in its occurrence. For instance, changes in weather, especially when it gets colder or damp, can irritate a dog's respiratory system. These conditions can lower a dog's natural resistance to infections, making them more prone to kennel cough. You might be surprised to learn that kennel cough is often linked to situations where dogs are in close contact with one another. Think about places like boarding kennels, dog shows, grooming salons, or animal shelters. While these situations can happen year-round, they tend to increase during holidays or vacation seasons when more dogs are boarded or groomed. Stressful conditions can also contribute to kennel cough. For example, excessive barking during travel or being away from home can irritate a dog's throat, leading to bronchitis and kennel cough. So, while kennel cough can occur at any time, it is often more common during periods when dogs face environmental stressors or increased exposure to other dogs. To help protect your furry friend, maintaining good vaccination practices is essential. Vaccines can help reduce the risk of kennel cough. Additionally, minimizing stress during those busy times can also be beneficial. If you notice your dog has a persistent cough, it is always best to consult your veterinarian for advice and treatment options. Keeping your dog healthy and happy is the ultimate goal, and being aware of kennel cough can help you do just that.